What's up mga pre? Welcome to DIY Food. For this episode, gagawa tayo ng stir-fried noodles based sa isang dish na natikman ko in Korea few years back when I was there. So to start, kailangan lang natin ng dalawang slices ng Spam. So to prepare this, isa-slice ko lang siya into little cubes like so. This goes very well sa kimchi, so that's why we're using it. I will set this aside and then I will get onion leeks. So tatanggalin lang natin yung white part, so we don't want that, and then we will slice this thinly. This is for garnish din, so we'll just put it on our side plate for use later, and then itatabi muna natin siya. So cook your noodles as indicated in the package. You can use yakisoba, pancit canton, Korean stir-fried instant noodles, or kahit ano. It all works for this recipe. So lipat ko lang to dun sa isang burner kasi magfa-fry na tayo ng iba nating mga ingredients. In your non-stick pan, add a little bit of butter and some oil, then let it melt lang. By this time, ready na siguro yung noodles nyo. So papalain ko lang to and i-drain ko lang. Once that's done, add your Spam and i-brown nyo lang siya until your desired doneness. So once it's like this, so I'll remove it from heat and I will set this aside kasi the doneness is all good na for me. So this will be used for garnish later when we're done cooking our noodles. And then next, we'll add our kimchi. So I chop this into bite-sized pieces because it adheres better dun sa stir-fried noodles natin. Next, I will add gochujang, or also called red chili paste, and then samjang. This is fermented soybean paste. Yan. So we'll just mix it together. Make sure hindi siya maging buo-buo like this, like so. And then we'll add yung seasoning ng instant noodles natin. So again, mix it all up like this. And so next, we'll add our drained noodles. And then stir it all up. Make sure all of your ingredients mingle all together. Once that's done, i-add lang natin yung powdered seasoning ng instant noodles natin. This will add a depth of flavor to our stir-fried noodles. So yeah, just another mix. And also another tip from our Italian friends, you add the pasta water, or in this case, the instant noodle water. So that will emulsify your dish, make it silkier and smoother. Tapos, give it a professional toss, diba? Parang pro. And then yan, do another mix. And then this time, let's use our chopstick para mas feeling Asian naman. And then we will add some of our green onions. Then, yes, our Spam. Make sure not to put everything. Set aside some of those for garnish later. So yeah, this is now ready. So start na tayong mag-plating. So remember our trick dun sa pasta video natin. So using 2 chopsticks, ganyan lang din. And once malagay nyo dyan, stir it around, twirl it around, and then like this, like so, lalagay lang natin siya sa plate natin para mas maganda yung presentation. Put it like that and let it flow. Nice. Then put some garnish into that. I'm adding my Spam, a little bit of that, and a little bit of green onions. This will put some color into it. And this is some cheese. I'm using mozzarella and some curds of parmesan. Then, yes, my favorite part is using my blowtorch to melt stuff. So just melt it to the point na magiging gooey siya. Ayan. Then, yeah, I added some more cheese kasi merong mga spots, and then I'll just melt that. And there you have it, That's my best effort of recreating the stir-fried noodles I had in Korea. And again, this is DIY Food. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more video.